single girl by myself, and I just wanted to like give people a realistic view of what you can afford in this 2019-2020 time. If you're a single person looking for an apartment by yourself, like solo dolo, I just want to show you guys like how I'm living, and you know how my apartment is. 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. I was really not looking for a studio. I know I can afford a studio and it will be a lot cheaper, but I'm not into it. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. Hello, and welcome to my apartment. So today we're going to be doing an apartment tour. My name is Ndidi, and I just want to show you what you could get for your money if you want to live in a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. Yeah, and this is how I decorated my little place. So we start off with the living area. I got the couch from Wayfair. Got the rug from Home Depot. Most of the stuff that you're gonna see is from Home Depot, 9 times out of 10. So that is from Home Goods over there. Shelf is from Home Depot. Plants are from Home Depot. So it's gonna be a mixture of Home Depot, Home Goods, and sometimes Wayfair. I know they you know have a lot of drama. So that's the living area. This is like a comfortable little living area. I painted the wall myself. It was fun to do this. Like, don't mind me. Don't even, if you shift your eyes here. If you shift your eyes here, excuse me. Let's focus. Let's focus. We're looking at the living room. Just mind your business. Don't look at me. I didn't dress up today. Okay. I wanted to have like a little like table where you could sit down, like one of those, like, I don't know what culture it is, but you sit down and you eat. So the best thing I could find was this like little table. And if I wanted to, I could sit down and eat, but I usually just take this stool. I think I got this from Ross. I take it, I push it toward myself, and then I eat over here on the couch. And then that leads to, so while I'm eating in my little living area, I turn, oh, I'm already ready for Christmas. And this is at the entryway. This is where I put my keys. Put my keys in here. And I come back home. So we turn this way, and here is the TV. I put, like, a lot of people, when they looked at the layout of my apartment, they were like, you should put your TV on this wall and your couch over here. But I didn't like the idea of, like, cluttering this space of the kitchen. So I just decided to, interestingly, mount my TV right underneath the ceiling fan thing right there. I like it because I can cook over here and then watch TV. And I can sit over here, eat my food, watch TV. If I have guests who are sitting at these bar stools, they can watch TV easily. This area is supposed to be my workout section. I say supposed to be because, you know what? It's been a while. California has been having all these fires. I haven't been going outside, haven't been able to ride my bike. Sometimes I go in here and I do my, you know, my back handspring stuff. Here is where I put, this is like my work shoes. I put my, all my other shoes in there. They all fit in there. I don't have that much stuff. So we've seen the living room. This is my little bookshelf area. All my books, my painting. This is a painting that I did, I think in 2017. Old school heater. And there I have records. I have like records from my dad, Janet Jackson, Whitney. I think I even have Michael Jackson. I have Bad. I know that one is worth a lot, but yeah. Where is it? Oh, there it is. I have bad. So, and I also do have a record player. I messed up my little stack. Virgo things. Oh my God, I messed up the whole thing. I'll fix it later. I also have a record player. I had to like kind of hide it over here. That's my record player because it wasn't working out on this side. So yeah, these are my bar stools. I think I also got these. It's a place called Birch Lane, but it's basically Wayfair. I love the open concept of my kitchen. I have some candles over there from Bath and Body Works and I got it from my brother. He gave me as a gift. They're like hand poured in LA. Then here's my open kitchen, you know, basic kitchen things going on here. So like if you're cooking right here, the view is just like outside other apartments and stuff, and the TV. Let me give you a better view. So this is how it looks from this angle. My kitchen and my living room. Okay, now let's get on. Don't even try to look at me. Here is my bathroom. Here is my bathroom. So it's just a simple basic bathroom. Has a vanity here, toilet there, full tub here. There's a window back there, which gives out a lot of light. Let me show you. There's my window. It's hard to see. This is my little setup for my bathroom. Okay. Towel rack. The only weird thing is the light is like behind the door. And then, so here is my bedroom. The sun is kind of coming down, so the lighting is a little weird, but let me turn up the light. I don't know if that made it better or worse. Here's my bedroom. I painted the wall green. My bedroom is pretty simple. It's cute, pink. I got the bed from Wayfair. Pillows probably from Ross or Home Goods. Bedspread from Amazon. Plants all from Home Depot. Lights and stuff, Home Goods. I have some plants over here attempting to grow. It's taken a long time. Yeah. And then here I have my closet. Actually, let me show you from this side. But yeah, this is it from this side. It's kind of small, but it's enough to fill, my bed is a queen size bed. So this is like where I put all my makeup, where I put all, like I have my dresser here. Up there I have my bags. I put my work clothes up there. And on this side, I have my clothes. I have all my dresses and my lights down there, my suitcase, my coats and stuff. And then like a few other miscellaneous things for camera stuff. This is all my clothes. I'm trying to actually consolidate because I have too much stuff. I've been buying stuff from Pretty Little Thing. I'm gonna do a haul. I've been buying way too much stuff. So I'm gonna try to get rid of like a lot more stuff, but yeah, so here's my bedroom from this side. That's what I wake up to. A mirrored closet, enough space for a queen size bed, and I have a TV over there. It used to be on a table. So we have bedroom, we have bathroom, we have living room, and we have kitchen. Okay, so that's that on that. It took me forever to do this video and to finally upload it, But thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, comments, like where I got something or how much I'm paying, or, you know, the neighborhood is really safe. I don't feel like if I get a package or anything, nobody's gonna come steal my stuff. Like, that's never happened before. Yeah, this is where I'm living, and I'm happy to share it with you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you're single, you're looking for a place, it is possible to find somewhere, a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom without nasty carpet, and, you know, meets most standards. Of course, it could always be better. The place I'm living could always be more updated. Could have a washer and dryer, you know, like great things like that. I'm still looking for something like that, but hopefully I'm just enjoying where I am at this time. This is always, it's been a dream for me to live in my own place. Like, I've always had it in my mind, but I didn't know when it was gonna happen. I always had this like vision of myself, like older, plants everywhere, my own apartment. Like, it was so like oh my god. And then now I'm here, I'm just like, wow, I did it. Like, whoa. It's surreal. Like, when you have a goal and then you finally reach your goal, you're in your like, when you're in your goal, it's not like how you envisioned it to be. Life is so like, it's trippy. Like, it's hard to explain. But yeah, like, I'm just happy I'm here. I'm trying to enjoy it as much as I can. Enjoy being, you know, in this space by myself. No kids, no husband, nothing to bring me down, just me and myself and I growing, me, myself, and I have a lot of plants. But yeah, I don't know, I just wanted to serve as a reminder to myself and a reminder to you all that, like, if you have a goal, just don't, like, it's, even though it might seem like so far off, like one day, it'll come one day, and you'll just stay faithful, keep praying for it, and it will happen. It will come to pass. My next goal is to get a nice car. So I'm like, it seems like something so unattainable right now, something really unattainable. I know the kind of car I want. I know exactly, whenever I see it, I'm just like, yes, that's the one. It's a lofty goal. I always want things that are just so like, whoa, you really want that? Yeah, I want that. So I'm just gonna keep praying about it, and I know it will come to pass. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you very much, and I will talk to you guys later. See you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.